How can I add a couple exercises to make this more complete upper body routine? Most of my exercises right now is running, trying to improve my diet and also add in a bit of strength. I've started doing push-ups, one-handed dumbbell curls 2 times a week. I do them during the workday whenever I pause. If I have a moment, I'll do 20 push-ups. All right, so this guy is literally doing just the show muscles was what we call it. So push-ups will work your shoulders, your chest, and your triceps. So your chest and shoulders are on the front of your body, and they're doing bicep curls. So biceps are also on the front of your body. So they're neglecting the entire back portion of their body. So what they could do for this is doing some rows, doing some pull-ups or pull-downs. Lat pull down machine, you might have seen that. A rowing machine where you take dumbbells or anything in front of you. Sometimes they'll be dangling down below with gravity, and you just pull them closer to your chest. Trying to think of some other exercises. Maybe doing some face pulls, so grabbing a cable and doing face pulls where you pull the cables to your body. Doing anything that works your back. Just type in back exercises into Google or YouTube or even my channel. You can probably see a lot of good back exercises there. But yeah, we're kind of neglecting the back all entirely, so that's essentially what we need to do. In addition to this too, they're only doing push-ups, so you could add in some extra weight stuff. Assuming you are starting to add in some like rows and exercises like that, you can add in weighted exercises where you're pushing. So I'm not saying neglect pushing exercises altogether. I'm just saying you want to have some balance. So doing some pulling movements where you're pulling stuff closer to your body, and then pushing movements instead of just push-ups. You could do bench press, you could do dumbbell bench, you could do overhead press. Adding in some weight for that too is a good idea.